We are going to watch some heavy Airbus A380 and Boeing. Airbus A, commonly known as Airbus, is a multinational aerospace corporation that designs, manufactures, and sells commercial and military aircraft, helicopters, and space systems. Established in 1970, Airbus has grown to become one of the world's largest and most influential players in the aerospace industry, alongside its main competitor Boeing. All Nippon Airways, also known as ANA, NH, is a Japanese carrier and member of the Star Alliance. It operates from primary hubs at Tokyo's Haneda International Airport, HND, and Narita International Airport, NRT, and secondary hubs at Osaka's Kansai International Airport, KIX, and Atami Airport, ITM. Seats: 56 business, 343 economy, 8 first, and 73 premium economy. This is a 6EU Emirates Airbus A380-861. The most colorful airline in the world. It looks outstanding from outside. Manufacturer serial number, MSN, 14. Seat details of Emirates Airbus A380. Total seat of 491. First 14. BUISNESS 76. Economy 401. This is Airbus A380 Save the Coral Reefs, one of the best liveries flying around at the moment. High Fly's new Airbus A380, 9HMIP, wears the beautiful, Save the Coral Reefs, livery. High Fly is supporting the Mapui Foundation campaign, Save the Coral Reefs, by painting one of its aircraft with a special themed livery, aiming to reinforce worldwide the message of sustainability and protection of the seas. It is painted on both sides, one side in dark blue displaying destroyed corals contrasting with the light blue side representing a pristine ocean with colorful and healthy marine life. Another ANA, one of the most colorful Airbus A380. It has 56 business, 343 economy, 8 first, and 73 premium economy. It operates from primary hubs at Tokyo's Haneda International Airport, HND, and Narita International Airport, NRT, and secondary hubs at Osaka's Kansai International Airport, KIX, and Atami Airport, ITM. This is Malaysia Airlines Airbus A380. Malaysia Airlines has fitted its A380s in a typical 3-class layout accommodating 494 passengers in 8 open suite first-class seats, 66 flatbed business class seats and 420 standard economy class seats. This is Thai Airways Airbus A380. Thai Airways became the 9th carrier to launch the Airbus A380 when the carrier introduced the aircraft in September of 2012 to their fleet. Passengers flying in first and business class can enjoy their flight in a fully flatbed seat. The economy class has been split between the main deck and upper deck, with the upper deck economy cabin referred to as a baby-free zone, as there are no bassinet accommodations for passengers in this section of the aircraft. This is All Nippon Airways, one of the colorful airline Orange Turtle. Already I have discussed about it. It is also known as ANA, NH, is a Japanese carrier and member of the Star Alliance. It operates from primary hubs at Tokyo's Haneda International Airport, HND, and Narita International Airport, NRT, and secondary hubs at Osaka's Kansai International Airport, KIX, and Atami Airport, ITM. Seats: 56 business, 343 economy, 8 first, and 73 premium economy. This is Boeing 787 Dreamliner Scoot. Scoot Private Limited, operating as Scoot, is a Singaporean low-cost airline and a wholly owned subsidiary of Singapore Airlines. It began its operations on the 4th of June 2012 on medium and long-haul routes from Singapore, predominantly to various airports throughout the Asia-Pacific region. This is China's Southern Airlines Airbus A380B6137. The Airbus 380 is the true air jumbo, as it is 72.23 meters long, 79.15 meters wide and 24.07 meters high, takeoff weight reaching 560 tons, and the flight distance reaching 15,000 kilometers. The total area of the twin decks is 550 square meters, equals to 3 tennis courts. This is Air New Zealand All Blacks livery Boeing 777 ZKOKQ. Something very unique is the brand new Air New Zealand All Blacks livery on their Boeing 777 ZKOKQ. Hats off to Air New Zealand for creating such a stunning livery. It must be acknowledged that this is the most beautiful 777 to have ever flown. This is Boeing 747 Dreamlifter. The Boeing 747 Dreamlifter is a modified version of the Boeing 747-400 aircraft, designed specifically for transporting large aircraft components and parts. It is a key part of Boeing's logistics system for moving major assemblies between suppliers and Boeing's production facilities.